In July 2019, shark investigators recorded horrific animal cruelty when dogs were forced to attack bulls at the California Rodeo Salinas in Monterey County, California. Animal versus animal fights are illegal in California. There's even a term for it, bull baiting, and there is no question that it violates the law. According to state law, even the worrying of a bull with a dog is illegal, and this goes way beyond worrying. And yet, though Shark captured this clear and overwhelming evidence, which included a bloody injury, no one from the rodeo has been prosecuted. The reason for this legal inaction obviously isn't because of lack of evidence or lack of clarity of the law. What it comes down to is corruption, pure and simple. The Monterey County SPCA is supposed to investigate animal cruelty and claims to have investigators present at the Salinas Rodeo. Yet they were magically not there when this abuse occurred. It was only thanks to Shark that this illegal fighting was captured on video. Over the years that we have documented the Salinas Rodeo, the SPCA has failed time and time again to hold the rodeo responsible for clear acts of animal abuse. In a document Shark obtained, it says that the SPCA has corroborated the rodeo's injury numbers and that they stated they would back up the rodeo's veterinarian when Shark filed complaints against him. The rodeo even suggested giving the SPCA a special tour where they could, quote, pet the livestock. The tagline in their official emails states that the SPCA is, quote, the heart of animal rescue and protection since 1905. The heart of animal protection? That they use their name to cover the filth produced by the Salinas Rodeo says to us that the heart isn't the body part most associated with this SPCA. When we asked the SPCA what happened with this case, they responded, quote, the DA's office reviewed the report and will not be filing any charges at this time. Now we know that the rodeo is untouchable in Monterey County and that they can and have gotten away with severe cruelty in the past. But why would a district attorney want to ignore what is clearly illegal and cruel to any reasonable person? This is Monterey County District Attorney Janine Paccioni. As she wrote on her own campaign website, quote, since returning to the DA's office in 2009, Janine has regularly volunteered for the California Rodeo. Here is Miss Paccioni at the rodeo wearing her volunteer badge. This picture was found on the California Rodeo Salinas' Facebook page. Apparently the rodeo just loves having the local prosecutor right in their pocket. If Ms. Paccioni is allowing these crimes to go unpunished, we can only wonder what other crimes in Monterey County get a free pass because she favors the violators. What happened to the bulls wasn't dog herding, which is a ridiculous claim made by rodeo spokespeople. In fact, Shark filmed the same business that used those bulls, which is called Bullfighters Only, at other rodeos, and dogs were not used. We also reached out to one of the stock contractors that supplies bulls for Bullfighters Only, that's called Penthouse Bulls. They told us that not only would they never allow dogs to be used like that with their bulls, but that Bullfighters Only had nothing to do with the dogs that attacked their bulls. In other words, this entire sick enterprise is specific to Salinas. The California Rodeo Salinas pit dogs against bulls for some vile and disgusting fight, and it was entirely illegal. However, thanks to a district attorney who supports and volunteers for the Salinas Rodeo, no one will be held accountable. It should be mentioned that we reached out to Governor Gavin Newsom to step in, and he has done absolutely nothing. We are very disappointed, and we expected so much more from California's leadership. Rest assured that Shark's efforts will not stop. We will continue to fight for these animals and against this cruelty. Shark is sending a letter to DA Paccioni demanding she recuse herself and that an independent investigation be initiated. We must also note that this is the same prosecutor that has not taken action on a number of illegal cockfighting properties in Monterey County that Shark has exposed. The law in Monterey County is being flagrantly violated, and it's time for someone to step up and do the right thing.